43 mga public schools yung mga state universities na syudad de Zamboanga, ya pwede install free Wi-Fi connection al Department of Information and Communications Technology. Estel Cosa confirma mismo al Regional Director del DICT Region 9, Maria Teresa Camba, durante el virtual press briefing anoche. El 43 mga eskwela que tenían install internet connection al DICT, cuantos pa lang del mga institusyon kung kanya pwede dale servisyo de internet connection el mencionado ahensya.
We have already provided 43 public schools and state universities and colleges in Zamboanga City with free internet. All in all, we have connected close to 200 sites already in the city alone. And there will be more sites that will be connected in the coming days.
EMEDIA Mo!
LDICT, tinatambyan niya pwede man install mga internet connection ng mga COVID-19 isolation facilities in mga hospital.
EMEDIA Mo!
This is on top of the 101 government offices in the city that we have connected through the government network. I would also like to share that we have also connected COVID isolation facilities, hospitals in the city. And Dr. Miravite can attest to this.
Thank you for watching this video. Like us on Facebook for more news update. EMEDIA Mo official Facebook page. For comments, suggestions, or any concerns, please feel free to email us at emediamo@gmail.com. Subscribe now.
Stay updated for SCC advisories.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I'm Palma Ajilani Sarapuddin, the Dean of the Department of Allied Medicine. Our department is offering midwifery course and test the program related to health like practical nursing and caregiving. My dear students, don't let this pandemic become a hindrance to continue your dreams. That is, to become a competent midwife and nursing attendant locally and abroad. Serve humanity by becoming one of the healthcare provider. You have worries about your enrollment? Worry no more because Southern City Colleges ay may programa para sa mga estudyante na gustong magpatuloy sa kanilang pag-aaral sa gitna ng pandemya sa pamamagitan ng Study Now and Pay Later program. Kung kayo po ay interesado, at maaari po kayong tumawag sa amin o kaya bisitahin ang SSC website. We can reach you and connect to you wherever you are. Because Southern City Colleges is a school that cares. Huwag tayo patatalo sa COVID. Labanan natin ito. Mga kataymanguran, kamong mga asan, ipakontinue na to in pag-school sing kamaangkan na to. Because in Southern City Colleges, yari tumawang ka to. Wassalam. Thank you.
Southern City Colleges, the school that